a bustling city is both an exhilarating and, at times, overwhelming experience. I have been living in the city centre for a few years now, and while the fast-paced lifestyle took some time to get used to, I honestly cannot imagine living anywhere else. There is a unique energy here that you simply cannot find in a small town or the quiet countryside. On weekdays, the city wakes up incredibly early. My morning routine involves navigating the rush hour crowd. I usually commute by the underground metro system because driving is nearly impossible due to the endless traffic jams and the high cost of parking spaces. As I walk from the station to my office, the streets are already packed with commuters, street vendors, and delivery trucks. I always make a quick stop at a local bakery to grab a fresh croissant and a takeaway coffee before my morning meetings begin. What I love most about the city is the lifestyle it offers during the weekend. On Saturdays, I usually take things at a much slower pace. I might spend a few hours at the public library catching up on my reading, or explore a local art gallery that is hosting a new exhibition. In the afternoon, I meet up with friends at a trendy cafe. We usually sit on the terrace, catch up on each other's lives, and watch the diverse crowds of people passing by. Afterward, we might head over to the shopping district or to the local street markets to look for unique gifts and vintage clothing. In the evening, the city truly comes alive. The streets are illuminated by glowing neon signs and streetlights, creating a vibrant atmosphere. My friends and I are big foodies, so we enjoy trying out different international cuisines at various restaurants across town. After dinner, there is a huge variety of entertainment options to choose from. We might buy tickets for a live performance at the theatre, watch a newly released film at the cinema, or simply take a stroll through the Central Park, which is surprisingly peaceful after dark. Of course, city life isn't perfect. It can be incredibly expensive. The air pollution is higher, and the constant noise can sometimes be exhausting. Yet, despite these drawbacks, the endless opportunities for entertainment, culture, and career growth make city life absolutely worth it for me. Do you live in a city? Tell me what you like about it in the comments below.